We are just a smidge over 2 months from Election Day, and former President Donald Trump has been indicted once again by special counsel Jack Smith for allegedly trying to overturn the 2020 election. Allegedly is what this is in legal terms. Smith revised his previous indictment of election fraud after the Supreme Court handed down its ruling on presidential immunity. Robert Costa has more on all this for us. Bob, good morning.
Good morning, Tony. This new indictment, like the original last year, has 4 criminal charges, but it narrows the allegations against the former president, and it comes from another grand jury that had not previously heard evidence in this high-stakes case.
Less than 10 weeks before Election Day, former President Donald Trump faces a revived and revised indictment, charging he engaged in a conspiracy to hold onto power and to overturn the results of the 2020 election. On Tuesday, special counsel Jack Smith filed the slimmed-down indictment, shortened by 9 pages, to comply with the Supreme Court's ruling in July that presidents have broad immunity for official acts.
Now, the allegations relate solely to the actions former President Trump took as a candidate, in other words, in his personal capacity.
The new indictment removes the previous allegations concerning Trump's attempts to pressure the Justice Department into supporting his false claims that the election was rigged. One of the unnamed co-conspirators, who CBS News identified as Jeffrey Clark, a Trump loyalist within the DOJ, has been taken out of the new indictment. Trump has long claimed he did nothing wrong.
This is a persecution of a political opponent.
But the case carries on, and Chief Justice John Roberts noted in the High Court's ruling not everything the president does is official. The president is not above the law. Trump's lawyers, though, are expected to fight the new charges.
President Trump's lawyers are going to say there is no indictment you can bring that does not involve the official action, because former President Trump was in office at the time. So we're going to have a face-off here again, and it's going to be up to the Supreme Court to settle it once more.
Indeed, a source close to Trump's legal team tells CBS News that, quote, "This was not a surprise. It doesn't change our position that we believe Smith's case is flawed." The source added that Trump's lawyers will soon ask for more time to brief the case. That means a trial date could be pushed past the election. But for now, the timing of all of this remains up in the air. Nate?
Bob, thank you.